Understanding Prokaryotic Cells, the Basics of Microbiology. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson where we're going to explore the fascinating world of prokaryotic cells. These tiny structures are fundamental to life on Earth, and understanding them is key to grasping the basics of biology and microbiology. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of prokaryotic cells together. Prokaryotic cells are the simplest and most ancient forms of life on our planet. They are microscopic, single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. This is what primarily distinguishes them from eukaryotic cells, which do have a nucleus. The term prokaryotic comes from Greek, where pro means before and karyon means nut or kernel, essentially referring to the nucleus. So, prokaryotic cells are cells that existed before the nucleus was evolved. Despite their simplicity, prokaryotic cells are incredibly efficient. Let's break down their structure. Cell wall surrounds the cell membrane, providing shape and protection. Cell membrane, a lipid bilayer that controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance inside the cell where the cell's functions are carried out. Ribosomes, tiny structures where proteins are made. Genetic material. Unlike eukaryotic cells, prokaryotes have their DNA free-floating in the cytoplasm in a region called the nucleoid. Flagella and pili. Some prokaryotic cells have these for movement and adherence to surfaces. There are two main types of prokaryotic cells. Bacteria. These are the most common prokaryotes, found everywhere from soil to human bodies. Archaea. These prokaryotes often live in extreme environments like hot springs or salt lakes. Prokaryotic cells are not just biologically interesting. They are crucial for life and the environment. Ecological balance. They play a key role in recycling nutrients by breaking down dead matter. Industry and medicine. Prokaryotes are used in making medicines, vitamins, and in bioremediation processes. Health. Some bacteria are vital for digestion and overall health in humans. Prokaryotic cells might be small, but they are mighty. They are fundamental to understanding life's processes and have a significant impact on health, industry, and the environment. I hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of these microscopic marvels. Stay curious, and I'll see you in our next lesson.